where we would be conducting our
So
workshop.
Manoj, let's start with maybe the question, why are we doing this in the lap of nature? Why
Oh,
here? Why not in a conference hall with good air conditioning, fancy tables, fancy
very nice.
screens?
So I think my personal view is that we connect with our dreams better when we are closer to nature, because that's how we are designed. We are crafted to be closer to nature, and we get to know our true feelings, when we are connected with nature properly. And when you're look at this, I mean, when you're here, you can think bigger, you can think broader, and I mean that's what we want you to do before you actually start planning your financials. Think bigger, think broader. There's a life beyond money. I think that's why we came here. So, you tell me, Poonam, why didn't we do this as a one-to-one workshop? Why are we calling like 20, 30 people in a single place and trying to, do a workshop together?
Right. So, see, there are a lot of reasons why it has to be done as a collective group, right? One of the primary reason is collective consciousness, as they call it, right? So Deepak Chopra once said that the world is a projection of our collective consciousness, right? And if collectively we can together imagine about peace, harmony, love, laughter, freedom, it will create a different world. And that's what he said. But I totally say believe in it. When you're on a journey looking for something as important and
Hmm.
as blissful as
Right.
freedom, if you
Right.
have five people who think in the same way, your journey becomes easier. It's also a great opportunity to say
Meet.
network,
Yes.
make
Yes.
new friends, make people who can help you, who can
Yeah, and
hold
also
you.
I believe that there's so many questions, people will ask in a group which may not be coming in your mind right now,
Right,
right?
right. And
And
you
that's,
learn. And you
yeah,
learn
correct.
from those
Yeah.
questions and you learn from the answers. You learn from mistakes that
Yes.
people made.
Right.
Your book Foops is all about such mistakes. And I'm sure a lot of it is going to come up in this workshop.
Wonderful. Great.
And this is the beautiful hall. As you can see, you'll have a lot of people here, lot of people with you, lot of space for you, lot of area, clean environment, good quality air,
And excited people.
and excited people.
Make yourself comfortable, because this is going to be the plan of your life. So we're going to project you a dummy plan and show you how all steps you're going to go through, and you'll be working on your laptop, sitting here as couples, or as if you're alone, you're as alone, and working with me towards this financial freedom planning.